Last week we had a chat to Jac Marais, who's a partner at Adams and Adams. He was acting for the Maltina Institute for Language and Literacy. Promised 20 million rand. Well, not promised. The National Lotteries Board said you have been awarded 20 million rand, and then said, we're not going to give it to you. So they were all going off to court. The matter has now settled. We've got Jac Marais on the line. Hello there, Jac.
Hi, David. How are you?
I'm well, thank you. I was just saying earlier, I got mixed feelings. I was so keen for this to go to court, and so many issues could be addressed. But at the same time, I do appreciate for the Maltina Institute, a settlement is good enough. Are you able to give us the terms of the settlement, Jac, or is that confidential?
No, it's not confidential, David. Just first of all, obviously, we and our clients are delighted at the settlement. The settlement agreement is on the basis that the grant that was allocated in June 2011 will be reinstated, and the first tranche of the 20.4 million that was allocated back in June will be paid by Monday. So, as far as the result is concerned for our clients, obviously they are over the moon, and they can immediately proceed with implementing the project. So
that's it. No court action required. In fact, Jac, after you had served the papers, and that was the occasion that I spoke to you. I think it was last week, wasn't it? Did the matter go to a settlement rather quickly after that?
Absolutely, and there we must really commend the Lotteries Board. The chairperson of the Lotteries Board, Professor Nebutanda, stepped in personally to deal with the matter and facilitated the swift settlement of the matter on the basis that we've discussed. So yes, very quickly after we served papers, we received communication from the Lotteries Board. They initiated the discussions, and we were able to resolve the matter within basically a space of 2 weeks.
It did seem to me, from the information you'd given me, that it was an open and shut case. The law was quite clear. They can't do what they were going to do.
Look, I think so. And the point was that the Lotteries Board does not have the authority to withdraw grants that were allocated. Those were the legal propositions or the legal bases for launching the application. And as I've said, we can only appreciate that the Lotteries Board has stepped in and acted rather swiftly. Of course, it did take a bit of time, and delays were occasioned by the fact that we had to take the Lotteries Board to court, before action.
I think that's a very good point.